Hi friends, welcome to Vidyascooking. I'm featuring all these traditional recipes. Today I'm going to show you how I prepare this string beans and mung beans stir fry. I've laid out all the ingredients. This is mung beans which is soaked and reserved. Mung beans, when it's soaked for half an hour, it will double in size. So I've drained all the excess water and reserved. This is string beans which is chopped into tiny pieces and reserved. We'll require grated coconut, curry leaves, sliced onion, and slit chilies for this recipe. Apart from that, for tempering, we'll require mustard seeds, black gram dal, split chickpeas, and dried red chili. And we'll also require asafoetida. Very simple ingredients. These are the ingredients that we use, and we'll prepare a traditional stir fry like this for special occasion like Ganesh Chaturthi or Diwali. So like this small dishes we'll prepare and we'll serve it as side dishes, or it can be a part of a main course where you can add it to along with rice and you can eat it. So these type of dishes are very traditional here in South India. So what I've done is, in a wok I've heated oil on medium flame. First I've added the mustard seeds, black gram dal, split chickpeas and the dried red chilies. I'll fry all these ingredients till the raw flavor reduces and the mustard should splutter. It should stop spluttering. That is when we'll start adding the other ingredients. Normally, if you come to southern belt, you can find at least 20 to 30 varieties of such stir fried items served on your banana leaf. And we'll also add the asafoetida now once the mustard seed starts to splutter. And I've also added the chopped onions and curry leaves. So you have to roughly chop the onions. You'll get a good taste. You should not finely chop your onions. Roughly chop all your products and reserve. So now what I've done is I've started to fry the onions till it turns transparent. Once the onions turn transparent, I'll add the green chili and I'll fry it again. Now we'll add the beans. We will have to cook the beans till the water reaches boiling point. At that point the beans will cook till it's halfway done. Since we have already soaked and reserved the split mung beans, once we add it to the string beans, it will cook faster. So the recipe in detail will be on my blog, friends. Blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. The ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. Also, like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter for regular updates. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. Now I have added the water and salt. I'm going to bring this water to a rapid boil and we'll add the beans later. This recipe was prepared by many Brahmin communities also, and in South India we have varieties of dals that we add to it. We add black gram dal, and we also add split chickpeas that we soak and we grind and we add. So there are different variations of it, but this is the simplest one. Once the water has started to boil and the beans has cooked halfway through, I've added the split mung beans and salt again. We have to cook the mung beans. We can also add excess water to cook the mung beans. So I've given this a good stir and I'll cover this and I'll cook it. The same recipes are also translated and posted in YouTube Tamil, friends. YouTube Tamil link will also be in the description box below this video. This is a very nice and yummy dish, especially for kids. If you add this stir fry with the rice and a little bit of ghee, they'll really enjoy it. Now I've covered it and cooked the mung beans till it's well done. At this point my beans and mung beans have cooked and it's ready. So this is a very simple stir fry that you can prepare for your South Indian thali, or you can serve it as it is with the roti or steam cooked rice. It's a very nice dish, very simple and very easy to prepare. All that you have to do is just wash your mung beans twice and soak it ahead of time. and chop your string beans. That's about it. It's very nice and very tasty, very healthy. So you can serve it with roti or rice, and you can enjoy. I've added grated coconut. That is again optional. You can add it or you can leave it out. It's very nice and fragrant. Do try this recipe, friends, and post your comments. You can also use coconut oil for this recipe. If you're fond of coconut oil, try and use coconut oil. It will taste even good. So now my beans poriyal, or the beans usli as we call it, is ready. I've gone ahead and served it. We thoroughly enjoyed it. Give this recipe a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching this video recipe, and do like, comment and share this recipe with your friends and family. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.